bloody terrible. I've got another amazing tip for you. Anyway, you've got a piece of plywood or MDF and you want to put some lipping on. Because you've got to lip it because it looks terrible. So you've got some nice lipping and you want to put it on there. And you don't want to put nails in because it looks bloody terrible. So you think, how can I hold that on there? Put some glue on, but I need to hold it. You can put masking tape around it, but it doesn't work. So what can you do? I'm going to show you a trick. So what I've got is an amazing Dekton spring clip. Dead strong, dead good quality. You need one of these clips, and Dekton, in their wisdom, have put little holes in the handles. Can you see? So I ain't got to drill a hole in a brand new clamp. It's already got an hole there. You just get an elastic band or a laggy band, cut it, and then what you want to do is thread it through the hole in the handle. Just push it through like that. Tie a knot in it. With my Mars bar fingers. There you go. Other chocolate snacks are available. If you haven't got any of these clamps, you have got to get some because they are so handy around the weight shop. Tie a knot in this end too. Just like that. Then what you want to do is pull the elastic band over the front of the clip like that. You see that? Yeah? Simple? Right. What you do then, you've got your plywood, you've got your lipping, you're going to put some glue on your lipping, put it in place on the front of your plywood, and simply, like that, and can you see that? The elastic band holds the lipping on. How good is that? And if you want to see more tips, hit that subscribe and follow button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.